Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a customer service kiosk works step by step. A customer service kiosk is a self-service digital terminal that helps users access information, register service requests, and receive guided support without waiting for direct staff assistance. In simple words, it makes customer service faster, more organized, and easier to use. First, the customer approaches the kiosk and taps the touchscreen to begin. The welcome screen appears and starts the service process. Next, the customer chooses the type of service needed from the on-screen menu. For example, the options may include general inquiry, account help, complaint registration, document request, appointment booking, or service support. This allows the system to understand what kind of help the customer is looking for. After that, the customer selects the preferred language. This step makes the kiosk more user-friendly and helps customers continue the process in the language they understand best. Then, the customer enters the required details. Depending on the system, this may include an account number, mobile number, service ID, or the option to continue as a guest or walk-in customer. In this way, the kiosk collects the basic information needed to handle the request properly. Once the details are entered, the kiosk may verify the customer's identity. This can be done using OTP verification, ID scan, or account information. As a result, the system makes sure the request is secure and linked to the correct customer. After identity verification, the kiosk provides assistance options. It may generate a queue token, connect the customer to the correct service desk, or start a support workflow directly through the system. This helps guide the customer toward the right solution without confusion. Then, the request moves into the processing stage. At this point, the system receives the inquiry or service request, verifies the details, and shows the progress on screen. The customer can see whether the request is being processed, confirmed, or finalized. Finally, once the request is completed, the customer receives confirmation. This may come in the form of a printed slip, receipt, or digital confirmation through email or SMS. The service session is then completed successfully. Overall, a customer service kiosk provides fast self-service, supports multiple service options, offers secure access, and improves the overall customer experience. Therefore, it is a very useful tool for reducing waiting time and making service support more efficient and organized. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.